Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. U MLA Mawlai ba bright stewel mar banyang ulawan ra haying dor bar thawan halor ka jing e penthor ha Shillong. Kamtam Mawlai ula kililano kandep ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 bar kiwi ki scheme man plant na ga jingduna Umentri PHE ba Marzius and Marak Uloong ba ka jingdon kam penthor ha Mawlai kalong khandai pu ar point san pholak liter man kasngi. Kajing samanta kalong rup saw point nyop san nak liter kabamut kajing duna kalong arp nyop point nyop san nak liter. Ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 kablas dang nadu arhajar pra kala poisha kajing ya chaprang nyop pu pra percent bat ka pumping stage kan trekam hau nailur arhajar arpsan. Karba kajing penkut pura lakmi lenti hau lebayar arhajar arpnrio. Nalor kani dang don shuk ki scheme kum ka umshing dan block 13 WSS hapo JJM. Ka New Shillong Water Supply Scheme New Sparklur bat ka projek banshim na kawa non den bat wa khen ka bala ban ai hadu lifeline million liter man kasngi. Umentri ulak dauru baka sorkar ling baka water policy arhajar khat khandai bar ka climate council kala persang ban pene yijaka bat ki spring ban yada naga jing e hagalaway nagalyang umentri katnat PHE ba Marzius and Marang ulaong baka jing don kam penthor man kasngi ha Mawlai kalong khandai pu ar point san pholak liter henry ka jing samanta kalong tangrup saw point nyop san lak liter kabamut ka jing duna kalong arp point nyop san lak liter. Ulang ru bagani ka jingduna kan hiar hadian baladep and pendep ya ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 kani ka projek kablas dang nadu arajar pra. Menta kala poisha ka jingya chaprang nyopu pra person ka pumping stage banra ka treatment plan lakmi lenti bantre kam hau nailur arajar arpsan. Karba ka jing pendep pura ya ka scheme baro ka lakmi lenti hau leber arajar arpnrio. Nalor kani umentri ulak do badang don shuk ki scheme banyaram penbiang kum ka umshing dan block 13 WSS hapo JJM ka New Shillong Water Supply Scheme kabla mang tingka hadu new sparklur batru ka project banshim na ka wa non den batwa khen kabla ban ai hadu lai pulai million liter man kasngi. Ulapan kan mauru baka sorkar ling baka water policy 2019 bat ka climate council kala pendut pisa bat shim benta hagi project baper banyada bat penne ikjaka bat ki spring nang ban penne ikajing penbiang ha Shillong bat ki than ba marjan. Karba na kalyang umentri rang ba ka jila ukon bat ki sang mauloong ba nalor ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 bat ki we ki scheme hapo JJM ka sorkar kala pynkhreh ru shibun ki projek thymmai ban plant na jingduna ha Shillong. Ula pentem ba ka New Shillong Water Supply Scheme kabla mang pisado new sparklur. Kalas dang ban ya chaprang bar ka jingpen sanction ya ka projek kan yarap shikat de ban penbiang ha Shillong bar ki than ba marjan. Ula kadawru ba ka sorkar kala shimru ikarai ban pelong ka projek ban shim na ki khriang bar ki wa kum ka wa non den badwa khen kani ka project kala aban ai do lifeline million liter man kasngi kabalong ka jingyarap ka pakraw ha ka jingpen biang u konrad ula ongru ba ka jila Meghalaya kalong ka jila ka baningkong ban shime ka water policy house name arhajar khat khandai batling ba ka nela thal ka climate council ka ba uhi kum umentri rang ba ulong chairman kani ka council ka kentup ikitanat baper kum ka forest environment soil conservation water resources bat ki wei bante elaka mi ka jingring bat jingne jingi jaka catchment bat ki spring ula ongru baling bagi externally aided projects ka sorkar klatreban pene ya ka jinglong jingman ki jaka khnang banyadana ka jing jelai jing ka jing shnashnong ba jingkala ka maryang ka bala bang ta jor ya ka benthor ha kalawi.
Answer to star question number 3, sir. A. Sir, the total amount of drinking water needed daily in Shillong city, including areas not covered under Greater Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 and Phase 2, is 5 crore 58 lakhs 30,000 litres. B. The total amount of drinking water supplied daily in Shillong. The total amount of drinking water in Shillong is 4 crore 17 lakhs 80,000 liters. Sir. C. The deficit / shortages of drinking water in Shillong is 1 crore 40 lakh 50,000 liters. D. The total amount of drinking water needed daily in Mawlai is 92 lakh 50,000 liters. E. The total amount of drinking water supplied daily in Mawlai is 64 lakh 75,000 liters. F. So the deficit / shortages of drinking water in Mawlai is 27 lakh 75,000 liters. G, sir, in Shillong city, the gap is expected to reduce on completion of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. With respect to Mawlai, a scheme under JJM, namely Shillong, Lo Mawlai, Tlong, Mawiyong, and B1, B3 WSS is ongoing, and a number of schemes are under process.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
Yes.
I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the elaborate response to the question. Water is becoming increasingly scarce on a global scale, and Shillong and the entire state is...
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world, with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We